A viral photo of anti-immigration activist Phakela Umthakathi, whose real name is Nkosikhona Ndabandaba, with his partner Bekezela Dube, a Zimbabwean national, has sparked heated debate online after old photos resurfaced showing her celebrating a South African permanent residence visa in December 2024 while training to become an immigration consultant. Known for leading South Africans' first marches and calling for tougher action against illegal immigration, Phakela is now facing accusations of hypocrisy, with critics flooding social media with memes and comments like, "Deport your girlfriend first." However, supporters argue that his activist targets illegal immigration and crime, not legal documented foreign nationals, while others claim the viral image could even be AI-generated or edited. The controversy has since divided public opinion and reignited conversations around immigration relationships and consistency in political activism in South Africa.